Are you videotaping me?
No.
How do you know?
Because I was like, it's you.
What are you doing? Stop filming me, you dumb bitch. What? That was not funny in the picture?
Nothing.
What kind of an accent is that? It's my own. Try to say words, you know? What words you just... Do you remember when... Your mother tried to push me in the vehicle? I don't think she likes me very much.
Okay, look, okay, this is the car, and this is like the door, okay, that's the door, and it's open, okay, so the car starts driving away, and Crowley's like, ah! She hops in.
What a while!
Yeah, I'm surprised your mom didn't notice that she was like screaming, like,
You're like, hey, stop! Your mom went to 5 minutes and...
What if she kept going? What if she actually started going faster? She would have just like...